These are my top 5 summer lip glosses, and I'm telling you, they feel as good as they look. Let me break down the texture, color and vibe of each one, because they are not all the same. First up, Chanel Rouge Coco Gloss in the shade Physical. She's high shine, hydrating and gives your lips that soft, effortless glow. It's luxe, but totally wearable. This one is that classic Chanel gloss. Physical is a soft milky pink with a supple shimmer. The texture is super smooth, not sticky at all. It gives you that fresh, juicy lip look without feeling heavy. It's giving elegant, understated, everyday glam. Next we've got Patrick Ta's Major Volume Plumping Gloss in 2cc. Okay, if you want glass lips, this is it. 2cc is a warm rosy nude with a high gloss finish and a noticeable minty tingle. It plumps your lips a little but never burns. It feels cooling, hydrating and it really stays shiny for hours. This next one is a Dior Lip Glow in Coral. It's a balm, but it brings just enough tint and hydration for those no makeup days. I'm obsessed. Dior's Lip Glow in Coral is my summer go-to when I want color and care. It's a balm, so it melts into your lips and feels buttery soft. This one is so underrated. Flirty Coral is a bright, fun coral pink that gives you that healthy lip tint, but it's wrapped in this nourishing, almost balm-like formula. Lightweight, glossy, no stickiness. Great for every day, but still has that Chanel polish. And finally, Summer Friday's Lip Butter Balm in the shade Poppy. This is your beach day BFF. The color is fun, fruity, and the formula is so comfy and plush. It smells like sweet vanilla and leaves your lip feeling softened and glossy without slipping off. So whether you're into cheer, shine, juicy tints or bold plumpers, these 5 are on full rotation for me this summer. Which one is your favorite?